Hi everyone, Javin here. So in today's video, I want to talk about the secret ingredient to shiny and healthier hair. Enjoy. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. If you haven't already, smash that subscribe button, click the bell notification icon, stay tuned for more videos. This is really ideal for anyone who has dry hair and looking to hydrate their hair follicles. So the product you want to use is called the Argan Oil. Argan Oil. Let me just go over some of the reasons why argan oil is good for your hair. The first reason is that it will nourish your hair inside and out. What this means is that the argan oil will seep into your hair follicles and moisturize the inside. On the outside of your hair follicles, it will actually protect the hair strand as well. Research has also shown that argan oil can also protect you from the sun. Reason number 2 is that argan oil can also help with dandruff. I'm personally someone who has grown up with dandruff and I always use Head & Shoulders when I shower. And since argan oil is rich in antioxidants, it's actually really great to use on my scalp as well. Reason number 3 is that it can also help with other skin conditions such as psoriasis and eczema. Just remember that argan oil will not actually cure psoriasis and eczema. And according to this doctor online on my computer here, he or she is saying that argan oil has soothing and anti-inflammatory properties that make it beneficial to dry scalp, psoriasis, and seborrheic dermatitis. The fourth reason to using argan oil is that it will make your hair look shinier as well. And this can all be thanks to the high concentration fatty acids found in the argan oil. Before I talk more about the argan oil, I also want to show you guys some posters that I recently got from the poster store. Really nice posters. The box itself was also protected, so if you get a frame like this, it will not be damaged. They also have many different kinds of photos, but I just happen to choose this over here. Simply because my dad likes horses. And this one here looks really nice. It's like a deer in the wilderness. And this elephant in the jungle, I think it looked pretty nice, so I got it. And finally, this one over here. I also put these pictures up on the wall just to show you guys what it looks like. The horses, elephant, deer. Thank you again to the poster store for sending me all these posters. Feel free to use my discount code called JVIN35 for 35% off. Anyway, back to the hair video. Reason number 5 is that argan oil will also help prevent hair breakage. It's actually perfectly normal if you drop between 50 to 100 hair strands a day. So if you're in the shower, showering, and you notice a lot of hair falling down, or if you're combing your hair and a lot of hair are coming out, don't worry guys, because that's perfectly normal. But if you're using argan oil, there's actually some vitamin E inside that will make your hair elasticity stronger. And when your hair strand is more flexible and stronger, it reduces the likelihood that it will break off. Reason number 6 is that argan oil will smooth out any split ends and reduce frizziness on your hair. The reason this happens is because argan oil has smaller molecules inside them. This essentially means that it can penetrate your hair cuticle layers more effectively. And when all these oils are better absorbed into your hair, the hair will become softer and less prone to tangling. And finally, the 7th reason to using argan oil is that it will also protect your hair from any heat damage. The simple reason for this is that argan oil can withstand higher temperatures, so if you're blow drying your hair really aggressively in hot temperatures, this can be used as a heat protectant. So if you're looking to use argan oil on your hair, what I would recommend you to do is right after the shower, you want to towel dry your hair. Do not use any blow dryer. The goal here is that you want to put the argan oil on your hair when it's slightly damp. Always remember to use argan oil on wet hair and not dry hair. And the amount you use all depends on personal preference, but I'm gonna be using just like this, not too much. Rub it in my palms, rub it into my hair, and immediately after using the argan oil, I can already feel that my hair is softer to the touch. Yeah, it actually feels really nice, guys. I really recommend that you try it. And there's many brands that you can buy online or in retail stores. So yeah, just work it around your hair follicles, making sure it's all spread evenly around the front of your hair, the side of your hair, the back of your hair. Really work it in, guys. Pretend that you're using some hair wax. Massage your hair, massage the scalp and make sure it all spreads evenly. So once you apply the argan oil to your hair, you can basically just leave it as is. Then that's what I'm going to be doing right now. Already when I touch my hair, it just feels much healthier. It's not dry anymore. And at this stage, if you really want to, you can blow dry your hair. But as for myself, I kind of like the damp look a little bit. You know, it's not too wet anymore. Yeah, I think it looks pretty nice. Anyway guys, hope you learned something from this video. If you like it, let me know down in the comments below and chat back next time.